Hi, I'm Ian from Hema Maps and welcome to the first in a series of videos where I'll explain all about the Hema HX-2 GPS Navigator. These are a basic introduction to the product. They're not a training course, and if you'd like to see more training then you can go to Hema University on our website on the screen now. The first of this video, or this first video, is all about what's in the box. So let's open up the box and have a look. Obviously plenty of information on the outside of the box. Just have a read, understand a lot more about the product. But what's inside? Let's have a go. Okay, so first up we have just a little information sheet. Definitely have a read of that one and give you more information. A quick start guide, which you will need to read through. And best of all, there's the actual GPS itself. It does have a plastic cover over the front, or a plastic protective cover. Just peel that off and you can discard that. You won't need it from here on. And let's get a bit further into the box. What have we got now? Very important, here's the mounting. Now we'll show you a bit later how to mount this in your vehicle, but this is quite good. This is quite flexible for most vehicles, so it doesn't matter which vehicle you're using, you'll find a place to fit this on your windscreen, but we'll have a look at it a bit later. So next in the box we have the 12-volt charger, and finally the 12-volt cable. Now it's important, if you're using this 12-volt cable into the USB in your vehicle, that your USB in your vehicle is a 2 amp output. It must be 2 amp, many are only 1, but you can get an auto electrician to change that out if you need to. Next we have an alcohol prep pad, and that's used for cleaning both the mount and your windscreen before placing this in your vehicle. Last of all, a protective cloth case, and this is absolutely awesome also for cleaning the screen of your HX-2. So there you have it. That's everything that's in the box when you purchase an HX-2. Let's go and see how to fit this on your windscreen. So here we are in the vehicle, and we're going to use the components in the box to mount the Hema HX-2 to the windscreen. There's an alcohol prep pad, and we use this to ensure the windscreen is clean and also that the suction cap on the mount is clean. Both very important steps. So we've cleaned the suction cap, and now we'll clean the windscreen. Once they're both clean and dry, we now attach the mount by holding it to the windscreen and closing the dial to clamp it in place. So we now have 3 adjustment points. We can adjust to ensure the HX-2 is in a position where we can view it. We also need to be careful that we don't inhibit any vehicle controls and any safety factors that we need to consider. We're now going to attach the HX-2 to the mount using this slot in the back of the unit. And it's just started to rain. There we go. On the back of the unit, on the mounting, there are now 2 screws. If we screw these together, they will tighten the unit on the mounting to make sure it's secure. So now we need to provide power for your HX-2. And we do that by using the cigarette lighter adapter and placing the USB connection into the cigarette lighter, like so. Now we just slot that straight into the cigarette lighter, and we place the power into the side of the unit. So now we're ready to drive, navigate, enjoy our journey.
Continuous recording will now start.
So now you know what's in your HX-2 box, what it's used for, and how to set it up in your vehicle. Take some time now to go through the quick start guide, understand a lot more about the functions, register your unit, and gain access to the Hema Cloud. Our next video will be all about the main screen and all the functions on the main screen. Thanks for watching.